Hello and welcome to this live stream tour of number 254 Kingfisher Drive here in Woodley. What we have here is a 3-bedroom semi-detached house with an extension to the rear, and it's in a very quiet, tucked away location. I'm just going to start by showing you the location actually. If I just spin round to the left here, you'll see we have a pathway that leads along the front of these properties, and the trees in the distance. That's part of the woodland. To the left hand side of the trees, that takes you over towards the lake, which is rather nice. It's about a mile walk round the lake, and pretty much the only thing that happens on the lake apart from the walkers is you see a few fishermen. Just spinning round to the right, another path there leading off towards, there is a local shop which that path will take you to. As you can see, we've got parking to the front. This property does have a garage which is located at the rear, so whilst we've got parking for visitors or owners at the front here, you can actually park at the rear as well. So let's make our way in and show you around. Just to let you know, I am making a recording of this, and if you want to rewatch, then it should be online on the Rightmove advert later on today. Also, if you'd like to take a look inside this property, an actual viewing, then you'll notice in the corner of your screen there's a button that says request a private inspection, and click on that. That will fire an email off to us, and that will tell us that you want to have a look inside. We'll give you a call and we'll get your appointment booked in. And lastly, if you've got any questions as I walk around this property, then do type away and I'll try and ask those questions as best as I can. So we're going to start at the front of the property, so the lounge. So this is the lounge. It's a dual aspect room. So you'll find we have a front window just there, and if I just step into the room and turn around, there's a side aspect window as well. Just makes it a very light room. In fact, we've got quite big furniture in this room. As you can see, there's a settee there and another settee here, and then there's a chimney breast just there with a recess either side. The windows of this property are double glazed sealed units, and also gas radiator central heating as well. Okay, so that's the lounge, and let's make our way back into the hallway. As you can see, we've got the staircase there. There's the bathroom in front of me, but I'm just going to take you into this room first. So this property's been extended, as I mentioned. So what we have here is a dining room. As you can see, we've got a table and chairs there. A bit of other furniture, so probably a little bit more room for the dining table and chairs. Let me just spin round and show you. We have 2 cupboards there, one being the airing cupboard. And this room opens into the extension, which is the kitchen, and it's very much a sort of kitchen breakfast room. As you can see, I'm just going to point out we've got a 2-seater settee there, so if you wanted to have the table and chairs in here you could do, which then frees up this other room behind me into a sort of study family room. So a very nice kitchen, modern units, cream high gloss finish, as you can see, with a built-in oven and gas hob. Appliance space. There we have the washing machine space there, and again larder cupboard, and to the left space for a fridge freezer. Let me spin round fully just to give you a full idea of how much room there is. So yeah, some would call this a kitchen diner, and then the other room through there maybe a sort of family room, but however you want to use it, it's got that flexibility. You'll notice also off here we've got some French doors which open onto the rear garden. Just give you an idea of the view of the rear garden from here, quite private. I'll show you the garden actually at the end of the tour. And nice tiled flooring as well. So very nice modern kitchen, plenty of units and good work surface space as well. Okay, so on the ground floor we've got the bathroom, which has been sort of extended really, so it's actually a 4-piece suite because we have a shower cubicle in here as well. First of all, just showing you the low-level WC, the wash basin there, and the panel bath. And then if I just step in the room, and I'm just going to spin round to the right behind the door, you'll see we have this archway here, which takes you into a separate part here with the shower cubicle, and there's the shower with the rain shower above as well as the normal. That's a plumbed in shower. So a separate shower cubicle, so it's a 4-piece bathroom suite. Right, so let's take you now to the first floor and show you the 3 bedrooms. And as I mentioned, I'll finish by showing you the garden and also the garage and parking and everything. Okay, I have got a question that's just come into me that's just asking me about how far from Southlake School. That's the primary junior school. Southlake School is probably about 10 minutes walk. Possibly less, but about 10 minutes walk from here. Very close. Okay, so main bedroom first of all is this one. So this runs the full width of the house. You can see we've got space for wardrobes at the end. It's a front aspect window. There's a radiator under the window there. Let's just step into the room and give you an idea from this angle. So yeah, good sized master bedroom. And then onto the landing. That's the 3rd bedroom ahead of us. I'm just going to turn left and show you the 2nd bedroom. This bedroom, probably worth pointing out, does have quite a lot of furniture in it. Not too easy to appreciate just how big this room is, if I'm honest. Double bed will fit in here easily. For instance, you'll see that we've actually got a sort of desk unit behind here as well. So that's why I've sort of mentioned before coming in to show you this room that a lot of furniture. So this is definitely a double bedroom though. And actually dual aspect windows as well. Sorry, we've got a rear window there and then we've got a side window just there. So 2 bedrooms so far, and then the 3rd bedroom is this one here. Currently used as more of an office, if I'm honest, as you can probably tell. But if you look at the floor plan, you'll notice and look at the sizes that as a 3rd bedroom, this actually is a reasonable sized 3rd bedroom. Not sure if the camera really shows it, but certainly it's not a box room as you often find the 3rd bedroom. It is a single bedroom. So now back downstairs and let's show you the outside. I have got someone that's just asked, I think I did mention this actually, about in the kitchen. Let's show you again as I'm going through the kitchen to get to the garden, that the hob is definitely a gas hob, not electric hob. So let's just point that out to you again. There you go. Built-in oven with a 4-ringed gas hob and also the hood above. I know that that's a question we're often asked. People seem to prefer to cook on gas, it seems. Okay, so through the patio doors here, UPVC double glazed patio doors into the garden. So lawn, a pathway leading to the rear gate. I'm just going to step this side and point out that we've got this rather nice area for a patio area, as you can see, for patio furniture. And I'm just going to spin round fully and show you. There's the side gate. We've got outside power points just on the left hand side there, and outside lighting, and also water tap. So in the garden we have firstly this summer house. Now the summer house is currently used for storage. It's all full of boxes, but I can give you a very quick look in there. It does have power, but it's a summer house, but just used at the moment for storage. And then behind there you've got the garage. just quickly show you the garage. There's the up and over door at the front. And again, just spinning round, just good storage space, or indeed for a car. And then I'm just going to show you what's behind the rear gate here, because this is where you access the garage. So what we have here is it's like a sort of service road that just runs along the rear of these properties, but I'm just going to spin round and show you. There's the left hand of those two is the garage for the property we're selling. There's the gate into the garden, and then just going full circle, this is the end of the service road, so very little traffic running up and down here, of course, only the people that live here. And at the end of the service road, there's the trees with the lake off to the left. So just return into the garden to give you a view of the back of the house. Showing you that patio. There's the rear of the garage and the summer house as well. And you can see the extension. Yeah, full width rear extension, making the ground floor quite a bit bigger than it was. So that just about concludes the tour of this property. If you have any questions, my name is Gary. Do phone the office and ask to speak to me. Alternatively, same number on the website to arrange a viewing appointment. So it just remains for me to say thank you for watching.